Hi, I'm David Zindell of David Zindell Coaching. In column A, column B math problems, you'll see a quantity or an expression under column A and one under column B. Sometimes you'll be given additional information about both of them. Is column A bigger? Is column B bigger? Are they equal? Maybe you don't have enough information. Let's take a look at a problem involving nothing but numbers. How are we going to solve this? Well, even with a calculator and the world's fastest fingers, it's going to take more than the 96 seconds we have on the average to solve a GRE math problem. Is there a better way? Of course there's a better way. And one of the first things you're going to learn on the GRE is to look for that way. That means finding shortcuts. That means doing as little math as possible. In this problem, we can use a formula for finding the sum of these kinds of series. T1 is the first term in the series. TL is the last term. We add them together, divide by 2, and multiply by n, the number of terms in the series. In this case, that's not particularly hard, but we've got two sets of numbers to plug in, and at least 6 calculations we need to make. That's no big deal in real math, but this is GRE math, in which we want to do as little math as possible. If we start out looking for a better way to do this problem, if we really think about it, we're likely to see that we're comparing two groups of numbers. We're likely to ask, what do these two groups have in common? Well, they have most of the numbers in common, from 22 to 59. That means when we compare the two columns, those numbers aren't going to count. It's like adding 3 plus 7 and comparing it to 4 plus 7. The 7 doesn't count. It doesn't change the fact that 4 is greater than 3. So we can just get rid of it. In the case of our GRE math problem, we can get rid of all the numbers from 22 to 59. That leaves us with something very simple. Now it's very easy to see that the quantity in column A actually equals the quantity in column B. So we click our third answer choice and we're done.